Professor Remuzzi, science and religion. How we say here in Rome, are they the devil and the holy water?
Well, essentially, in some sense, yes. Science is based on facts, has to be reproducible. Others should reproduce our finding, and we do not believe anything that cannot be documented. If you look at the religion, it's something completely different, apparently, because religion is based on ideas, on perception, on belief, on strong belief. But you cannot verify what you are supposed to believe. So apparently it's exactly as you said, but in reality what we are interested in is the fact that science and religion are the two most powerful intellectual forces in humanity. And I think that the future of humanity, and for the future of humanity, and for well-being of humanity, those two unbelievably powerful forces should not preclude a dialogue among them. And this is essentially the reason that, thanks to the help of Fondazione Menarini, we would like to have this ambitious, in some sense, meeting in Rome, exactly on the future of humanity.
We will have topics like climate change, migration, genomic, how to set the issues of the meeting in the context of science and religion.
Look at the problem of health, for instance. If you look at that from the point of view of science, for us it is important to help people throughout early diagnosis, vaccination, medication, hospitals. And if you look at the sub-Saharan Africa, where most of the problem of the health of humanity are concentrated in, you will find out that there are at least 100,000 religious organizations that are taking care of the poor. Look at the aspects of the last moment of the life. You know, people are talking about euthanasia, assisted suicide, or how to deal with the last moment of life. Again, science has its own view, but who, in fact, in the majority of cases, do the real things are people that are, in some sense, affiliated to religion, are those people that are looking after the poor. If you look at the poverty, poverty is one of the tragedies of humanity, and is something which has a profound influence on disease, on health of people. And the church, in some sense, is taking care of poverty more than any other organization. So there are many, many points in which our two apparently completely different ways of looking at the truth has to find a moment of dialogue.
You can do a final invitation to the physicians.
Yeah, well, I think that physicians, students particularly, those who have an interest in philosophical aspect of science and religion, anthropologists, anyone who has an interest in the future of humanity, including, in fact, philosophers and physics, are invited to be there. It would be a very exciting moment, and the intellectual exchange will be just fantastic. We are going to have 3 Nobel Prizes. We are going to have outstanding people. The editor of The Lancet, which is one of the most fascinating person in the area of medicine in the world, will be there and will give his vision on the future of humanity. I think it will be an unbelievable moment, not to be forgotten and not to be missed.